Hello my crafting friends, this is Yolanda from CraftySentiments.com, and I'm here with a really great offer that is coming from Stampin' Up. I am so super excited about this particular offer. What they're calling it is Extra Extra, and now is the perfect time. If you were ever thinking about joining to get a discount on your crafting supplies, now is the perfect time to do so, and I would love to have you as part of my team, the Crafty Ones. So what this particular offer is all about is that normally with a Stampin' Up, you get to pick whatever you want in your starter kit. Excuse me. You pay $99 and you get free shipping, and you get to pick out $125 worth of goodies, whatever you want. There's no set limit of that you have to purchase this or purchase that. It's whatever you want. Well, this particular time, Stampin' Up has decided to add a little bit extra to the freebies. So for $99, you get to pick out $155 worth of goodies. Now, that is a lot of stuff to pick out. And I know you can be kind of overwhelmed and thinking like, okay, well, what do I get? So I'm going to break it down to you exactly what you can get. Again, with this offer, it started in July, but it goes from now until the end of August 31st, that you pay $99 plus tax, but there's no shipping, and you get to pick out $155 worth of goodies. And the next month, Stampin' Up will send you a coupon for an extra $10, so you can apply that to your first purchase of some more supplies. I'm going to show you exactly what $155 could look like if you wanted to pick these items out. Now again, you pick out whatever you want to pick out. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what you could pick. First thing that you can pick out is the Above the Clouds bundle. So that includes the stamp set and the punch. So the punch punches out the balloon shape, the basket, and a little bitty pennant for a little banner. So you can, I'm going to turn this over so it's not so much of a glare. You can pick that out and move some of this stuff out of the way. You can also pick out a whole pack of the Coastal Cabana paper, a whole pack of the thick Whisper White cardstock. This is really good for cardstock to use when you're making your cards as a base with the white, because it's thicker and so it holds all those different layers that you'll be using when you're making your cards. So I love to use this. I didn't think there was a big difference, but there is. So you can pick out that. You also can pick out Coastal Cabana ink pad, Granny Apple Grape ink pad, Melon Mambo ink pad, and a Gorgeous Grape ink pad. You also get to pick out a black Stampin' Right marker. You would need something to stamp with, right? You got the paper, you got the ink. So how about picking out a D block and a C block? The different blocks are really useful when you're stamping. You don't want to stamp a block that's too big for the stamp, and then you get all that extra ink around the sides. Excuse me. So you don't want that. So there's a C block and a D block. You can also pick out some Stampin' Dimensionals. You can also pick out some rhinestones. I have some Whisper White baker's twine. This is really good because you're watching another video, and I'll show you how you can turn this basic white twine into any of our colors that we have. Awesome idea. So you can pick out the baker's twine. You can also pick out some Tombow mono-adhesive glue. And also, how about picking out a snail adhesive? So all these particular items that I've put right here add up to about $125. But because they have a brand new promotion, you get to pick out $30 more of free stuff. So I'm thinking you have the stamp set and the bundle, and you got all these pretty goodies, but you need some envelopes. How about some envelopes? This is a pack of our Whisper White medium-sized envelopes. Those are fabulous. And we'd have no naked envelopes, so you're going to stamp on your envelope as well. Also, you can pick out How about another stamp set? There's lots to choose from, but I just picked this particular one. It's very popular and it's really, really cute. Has some nice images as well as sayings with different fonts. This is the free as a bird stamp set. So you could pick out all of these goodies for your $99. This is $155 worth of items. Now, you'll also receive inside of your starter kit a paper pumpkin kit. It's not the latest one, but it is a complete paper pumpkin kit. You'll also receive some catalogs. You'll receive they have a business package, and that's great. If you decide that you want to do this as a business, you'll have the materials already ready that you can send out to customers or whatever you decide to do. But again, there's no pressure for you to go ahead and sell anything to anybody. You don't have to have any parties. You don't have to do any videos. You don't have to have any workshops. You just get the items that you want to get at a discount. And again, that discount starts at 20% right off the bat. Now, you can increase that amount to 25% and even more with that, but that's further down the line. We're not even going to worry about all of that. So this is some things that you can actually pick out for your starter kit. But because we're starting today, which is August the 1st, you can pick out anything from the new annual catalog. So that's right. Anything that's in the new holiday catalog that actually starts today. Demonstrators, one of the perks that we have is that we can order early from the catalog, and starting today we can pre-order items a month early before everybody else, so you can get started on your holiday shopping, your holiday cards, your gifts, your home decor, whatever it is. You can pick these things out, $155 worth from the holiday catalog instead of all of that. This is just an idea, gives you an idea. So again, if you have any information, do you have any questions at all, feel free to contact me at the link below. I'll leave a link below on how you can join. I will leave a link on how you can contact me through an email if you want to do that. But wait, you know one thing what I want to do? I want to show you what you can do with some of these items. So you bring all these things home and you get it and it's like, oh, this is great. What do I do with it? Hold on, let me move this out of the way and I'll show you a project on what you can do just to get started. Okay, so I thought it would be a really good idea if we put together a project so you can see exactly what you can use this kit for if you decided to put these particular items in your kit. So I have a piece of Coastal Cabana that measures 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. It's a regular A2 size card. So we have that. And I'm going to stamp a little sentiment on the inside. Nothing spectacular. I think I will do it in I'll do it in Coastal Cabana. And for the inside sentiment, I think we're just going to pick one of the sentiments from the set that says you're off to great places. Now make sure I have it right side up. And I'm just going to stamp it close to the top. Set that aside. Well, I can leave that one open. And I'll need this in just a second. Now, you can decorate more of it, but then I'm going to go really quickly and just put this in there. And you get to decide exactly how you would want your card decorated on the inside and or outside. But this is such a fun stamp set. It has lots of sentiments in there. But it's a really, really nice stamp set. So I'm going to set that aside. And I am going to lightly stamp some clouds in the background. And I'm going to use this as a scratch paper. I'm going to stamp off about 2 or 3 times. One, two. just some clouds in the background. And I'm going to stick that on our card. Really quick and easy. There we go. Now I need a piece of scratch paper. I'm going to close this off right now and move that out the way. And I'm going to, I guess this is big enough. I'm going to use Melon Mambo, and I'm going to do like I did before. I'm going to ink it up. Now, should do as I say and not as I do, because this is a photopolymer stamp set. It really does need some kind of cushion, and I should have my Stampin' Piercing mat on there, but I don't know what I did with it right now. So I'm going to 1, 2, and then stamp. And then I'm going to take the outline, and I'm not going to stamp off on that one. I'm just going to stamp it first generation. So line it up, the pressure. Oh, it's off a little bit, but that's okay. So I'm going to set that aside, and actually I'm going to stamp this out. Excuse me, punch it out, not stamp it out. There we go. Move these out of the way, and we have that one. And what I've done already is that I've punched out a purple for this gorgeous grape and the granny apple green, and I've put them on Stampin' Dimensionals for both of those, and I'll do that with that one. And I've also punched out the little basket in the same colors as well. But I want to do one more stamp on here. I want to put a little sentiment on there. So I think I'm going to say, let your dreams soar. And we'll stamp that right in the middle. No stamping off. Cute, cute, cute. Love it. And now we're going to put these cards together. I'm going to put this up on dimensionals as well. I put these on the little mini dimensionals. Those are just the cutest little thing. Oh my goodness. I guess you can see I get a kick out of some of those things. And now we're just going to layer these things up on our card. And move some of them up to the side. And I hope I don't lose them. And we'll take the dimensionals off. And we'll just layer them. Again, this, you know, I love it when you take a blank canvas, like some blank paper. Move that over to the side. So a blank paper, and turn it into something else. Oh, I think I want this up just a tad. I want it to look like it's overlapping just a little bit, like it's in the front. There we go. So cute. I have so much fun with these stamp sets. I'll put that one up a little bit. And we'll put the little baskets, because if you're in a hot air balloon, you need a basket. So cute. And this one will go here. And this one will go here as well. So I just stamped and punched those out just so things go a little bit quicker. And the last thing I think I'm going to do is put a little bit of the white twine on there. I'm just going to wrap it around, and I'm going to try to tie a bow. This one shouldn't be too bad. I have too much. I cut too much of it off. No worries. And I'll move that up, And I'll just adjust it because I don't want the loops to be quite that large. But there you go. Where's my snips? Paper snips, and cut that off. And there we have it. A quick card using the Above the Cloud stamp set. And here's another little project that you can do. I like making little 3x3 cards. These are so cute. So basically you cut a piece of cardstock that measures 6 inches by 3 inches, and you score it at 3 inches, and there you have your 3x3 inch card. The layers measure 2 3/4 by 2 3/4, both for this layer of Coastal Cabana and this one. And you see I just stamped some clouds in the background and put a sentiment in the middle. And right here I used the melon mambo to create this balloon. I made a little sentiment that I cut off with another punch that's called the classic label punch. And these are the little pennants, the little banners that punch out of here as well. So everything was done with the kit. So thank you all so much for stopping by. This is Yolanda from CraftySentiments.com. If you have any questions whatsoever about joining Stampin' Up as a demonstrator, where you can get your products at a wonderful discount, again, I would love to have you as part of the Crafty Ones. If you have any questions, any comments, feel free to contact me. I'll leave an email address below where you can contact me, or you can message me through YouTube. So thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll be back real soon. Have a great day.